I'm a hillbilly plunger. Oh! It got all over my butt! Ew! What is that smell? My poop! Hey, get in the cloud! What the hey? Ew. It's all poopy!
Who are you? You're gross.
Girls, don't even go there with me!
I thought you were a hillbilly.
I am a hillbilly. I'm a hillbilly gangster. What? Don't interrupt my plunging. Want some?
Do you hold it? No.
Come here, one and then one.
Go. Wait, hold on.
Oh.
You make some really ugly faces. I can't be around someone who makes ugly faces.
Well, that's just too darn tootin' bad.
Yeah.
What are you laughing at?
Nothing.